Generics allow classes, structures, interfaces, and methods to use type parameters as placeholders for one or more data types. A generic collection class, for example, can use a type parameter as a placeholder for the type of objects it stores. These type parameters define the types of fields within the class and the parameter types of its methods. Similarly, a generic method can use type parameters for its return type or formal parameters, enabling flexible and reusable code. Generics enhance type safety by ensuring that only compatible types are used, reducing runtime errors and eliminating the need for explicit type casting. Additionally, constraints can be applied to type parameters to restrict the types that can be used, ensuring they meet specific requirements.